Okay, so I wanted to share the settings that I use for engraving macarons on the Xtool F1 original. So place one cookie in the center, bring your focal dots together using the knob here on the side, just twisting it up and down until those meet. And then I am going to frame my design just using the rectangles. Get those where they need to be. After quite a bit of testing, these are the settings that work the best across all of the different colors. So you'll see that I have 4 different flavors, so 4 different colors happening here. And these are just the frozen ones that you can buy in a pack at Sam's Club. But look at the vanilla bean. This white color is the one that is not consistent, no matter what settings I do. So this is still the best settings. That heart looks fine, but I'm going to go in and remove the heart so I'm not doing that part over and just take these skinny tantiaguri lettering and redo just that part. That is what makes this laser so great, is as long as you don't move anything, it is incredibly precise for you to go in and do another pass. So this is how they turned out. They have a slightly toasted flavor to them because of the engraving, but the kids love them and they are great for different events.